Hi, my name is Brittany Callaghy and I'm from Murrieta, California. I have had the pleasure of working with individuals on the spectrum as a paraeducator for 6 years and as a teacher for two. During my paraeducator years, I worked with children at the preschool and elementary levels. After obtaining my master's degree in special education in February of 2019, I acquired my first teaching job in August. I worked as a third through fifth SDC teacher. I'm currently still at the same school going on year two. During student teaching, I had the opportunity to watch my mentor teacher assess her students using the Woodcock Johnson 4 test of academic achievement and the Comprehensive Inventory of Basic Skills Brigance, as well as administer and score both assessments myself. During my first year of teaching, we used the Kaufman test of educational achievement to assess our students. For this course, I am hoping to learn more about different types of assessments offered and how to better administer them. I want to be able to explain the test results to parents and the IEP team with confidence. And in light of COVID-19, I would also like to learn how to assess my students virtually. On a rainy day, I enjoy drinking hot cocoa and watching movies.